Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Melissa and I'm so happy that you're here. Today I did a video on a drugstore affordable look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Everything in this video, from the primer to the baking to everything, is drugstore affordable. And I will link everything down below so that you guys can recreate this look. I want you to be able to recreate this look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to know how to get this affordable drugstore look, well then just keep on watching. Okay guys, as I said in my intro video, this is going to be a drugstore makeup tutorial. And everything that I'm using is stuff that you can get at the drugstore. It's very affordable. So yeah, here we go. Usually, all I've done is my eyebrows because I just fill them in. Usually when I use primer, eyeshadow primer, I use the Smashbox lid primer. But since we're going affordable, I'm actually going to use concealer, and I'm using the Covergirl Outlast All Day concealer. This is in the shade 830 Light Medium. And now I'm just going to spread this out with a brush. Okay, and I'm going to set that with my Coty Airspun powder. Okay, for eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using the City Mini palette by Maybelline. This palette was very popular a while back, but yeah, this is actually the first time that I'm using it. I know you can see that looks like it's been used, and it has, but that's because I was curious to see how it would swatch, so I couldn't resist. But anyway, I'm going to take my blending brush and I'm going to go into this shade right here, and we're going to put that in the crease. Okay, still taking my blending brush, I'm going to take this brown shade right here, and I'm just going to take a little bit of it just to deepen the crease up a little bit. I'm just going to apologize in advance if you can hear my dog. He is upstairs with my fiance right now, and they are playing while I'm trying to film. This is my life. Alright. Anyway, I'm going to take this brown shade again, but I'm going to focus it in the outer corner to kind of smoke it out, because you know me, I always gotta smoke it out. Okay, I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to take this shade right here. And I'm going to focus that in the inner part of my eye right here. And I'm only going to go halfway. And then I'm going to take this lighter pink shade right here. Focus. There you go. Light pink shade right there. And we're going to focus that on the other part, half part of the eye. Okay, I'm going to go back to my blending brush and I'm going to take this shade and this shade that we used in our crease, and I'm just going to make sure all this is blended. I'm then going to take a flatter brush and I'm going to take this shade right here and highlight the brow bone. Okay, and now on to the face. Alright. We're going to prime our face with the Master Prime from Maybelline, of course. For foundation, we're going to use the Maybelline Superstay Foundation, 24 hour I should say, foundation. And this is in the shade 112 Natural Ivory. Okay, for concealer, we're going to take the concealer we used on our eyelids, the Covergirl Outlast All Day. And I do love this concealer. It does last almost all day. Setting that concealer with Coty Airspun. Big shocker there. Okay, And to contour, I am going to use my Maybelline Master Contour palette. And to bronze, we're going to use the Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Dulce de Leche. Okay, to bake, we're going to use the highlight part of this palette. For blush, I'm going to use the blush part of the contour palette. In highlight, I'm actually not going to use the highlight in that contour palette. I'm actually going to use the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals. Now we're going to do our lower lash line, and I'm just going to take our two transition shades right here, and of course I'm going to take my eye crease brush and put that on my lower lash line. For inner corner highlight, I'm going to take this shade right here. Okay, you're gonna brush the bake away. For eyeliner, I'm going to use my Rimmel London Scandaleyes Nude Eyeliner. Mascara, I'm going to use my Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. Okay, I'm going to do my lashes off camera because it's awkward still to do it on camera, but I'm using the Ardell Natural eyelashes in the shade 110, or in the number 110. Yeah, this is what I always use. I can't get away from it. So I'm going to use that with my Duo Lash Glue. And when you see me, I'll have my lashes on. Okay guys, we're back. Lashes are on. Next, we're going to put on lipstick, and this is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit, and this is in the shade Rebel Rose. And last but not least, Maybelline Masterfix Setting Spray. So yeah guys, this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will, as I said in my intro, link everything down below so that you can recreate this look. It's very easy to recreate. It's nothing too fancy. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. See